Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Are you confused about which crypto exchange is the best in 2025? Well, you're not alone. Today we're going to break down the top 3 and find the best one to fit your trading needs. Let's go.
Alright guys, how's it going? I hope you're having an excellent day today. So, we are back on the channel today talking about the 3 best crypto exchanges that you might be using right now, or maybe you're thinking of switching in 2025. But before we get into the video, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research and due diligence before you invest, and never invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, let's get rocking right now and start talking about these exchanges. But, choosing the right crypto exchange is the first step towards successful investing. As you guys all know, it can be difficult to choose the right one. Maybe you're skeptical, but there's hundreds of platforms out there, and it can be very confusing and hard to know where to start. But in this video, we're going to review the top 3, right? Whether you're just getting started, maybe, or looking for advanced tools, there's an exchange out there for you. And the first one we're going to talk about today is Coinbase. And yes, Coinbase is very cool. I do have a buddy that uses it, and he's taught me a lot about converting with it. Now, Coinbase is one of the most beginner-friendly cryptocurrency exchanges that are out there right now. It's based in the US, and it offers an intuitive user interface, strong regulatory compliance, and robust security, which is very important because we all want security. I know you do. I know I do if I'm going to be investing in crypto. And it makes it the go-to platform for first-time crypto investors. As you can see, it has a lot of cool features over here. You can see all these awesome features and break everything down. You can come up here and check all this out for yourself to see if Coinbase is right for you. I'm still learning about it, so I'm pretty excited to keep learning about it and going through this stuff with you guys. And I'm really excited today, so I hope you guys are as well. Now, a lot of the key features that this offers is a large selection of cryptocurrencies for spot trading. So you could trade on the spot right away using Coinbase, and it also has a very clean and simple UI, which is ideal for new users. I know that's what you guys are all looking for. Maybe you're like, well, I don't really want to get into these exchanges because a lot of them seem intimidating because a lot of them have some technical jargon, or maybe the user interface is a little too complicated for you. I get that. I understand that. So I appreciate the simplicity of Coinbase. So it also offers educational resources through Coinbase Learn, which is really cool, and it offers rewards for learning as well. And you're also going to get additional products like the Coinbase Wallet and Coinbase Pro, which is out there for advanced users. And it also has regulatory compliance in the United States, making it compliant, right? And that's important. And it's also ideal for beginners entering the crypto space. So if you're a beginner, this is going to be very ideal for you. And I know that you're going to get a lot out of using Coinbase because of its simplicity. And users seeking a trusted US-based platform, and investors who want a simple mobile web experience with good customer support, these are all the things it's ideal for, and I really appreciate it. I'm going to get more into Coinbase. Like I said, my buddy's been teaching me some stuff with it, and I've really enjoyed it, okay? So as you can see here, it has a lot of really great features, like I said, and you can get into it right away. You can check it out and see if it's right for you. If you're thinking of investing, I recommend this one for beginners because it's very easy to use and the user face is very user friendly.
All right guys, so which exchange are you using right now, and do you plan to switch in 2025? Let us know down below in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more crypto breakdowns, and share the video with those looking to invest in crypto, and we'll see you in the next video.